Harvest is go time. When the combines roll and every hour counts, farmers depend on their equipment to keep moving. At Bain Welker Equipment, we're looking for skilled technicians to help keep Case IH equipment in the field when it matters most. If you've got mechanical skills, problem-solving grit, or hands-on experience, your talents shouldn't be stuck in neutral. Automotive, diesel, industrial, military, those skills transfer here. As a proud Case IH dealer, we provide the training, support, and opportunities to help you grow while making a real impact during harvest and beyond. Don't wait until the season passes you by. Visit BainWelker.com to apply today. Build your future with Bain Welker Equipment.